Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Practice. I'm John.
And I'm Mary. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, we're really happy. If you are listening while drinking coffee, walking, or relaxing at home, welcome. You are in the right place.
Today's topic is very important, very useful, and very common in daily English.
Yes, today we are talking about yesterday grammar.
John, let me ask you something simple.
Sure, Mary.
What did you do yesterday?
Good question. Yesterday, I woke up early, I made some coffee, I checked my emails, and I recorded a podcast with you.
Yes, that's true.
And did you notice something, everyone?
Yes, John used words like did, woke, made, checked, recorded.
Exactly. All of these words help us talk about the past, about yesterday.
So let's slow down and explain it very clearly.
When we talk about yesterday, we are talking about the past.
The past means something already finished, something already done, something that happened before now.
And in English, we usually use the simple past tense to talk about yesterday.
Don't worry, simple past tense sounds scary, but it's actually very simple.
Yes, very simple.
For many verbs, we just add ed.
For example, work, worked, play, played, watch, watched, clean, cleaned.
So we say, I worked yesterday. I played football yesterday. I watched TV yesterday.
Let's act like we are having a normal conversation.
Okay.
Mary, how was your day yesterday?
Yesterday was good. I woke up at 7, I cooked breakfast, I went to work, and I talked with my friends.
Perfect. That is very natural English.
Now let's talk about time words.
Time words help us know when something happened.
When we talk about yesterday, we often use words like yesterday, last night, last evening, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon.
For example, I studied English yesterday. I slept early last night. I met my friend yesterday afternoon.
Now let's talk about mistakes. Mistakes are okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, mistakes help us learn.
A very common mistake is saying, yesterday I go to work.
This is wrong because go is present tense.
The correct sentence is, yesterday I went to work.
Point, irregular verbs, easy start. Some verbs don't use ed. We call them irregular verbs.
Don't be afraid. We will learn them slowly.
Here are some very common ones. Go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, come, came, do, did.
Examples. I went to the market yesterday. I ate rice yesterday. I saw my teacher yesterday.
Let's practice together. You can answer in your mind or speak out loud.
Ready?
Question 1. What did you eat yesterday?
Maybe you said, I ate bread yesterday. Or, I ate rice yesterday.
Very good.
If this feels difficult, don't worry.
English is like training your muscles.
Little by little, day by day.
And you are not alone. We are learning together.
Here's a small tip for you.
When you listen to English podcasts, movies, or videos,
Listen for past verbs.
ask yourself, is this sentence about now or about yesterday? We practiced talking about yesterday in a very simple way. Now we will learn how to ask questions about yesterday, make negative sentences, talk naturally in daily life and at work. Questions about yesterday.
John, let me ask you something.
Okay.
What did you do yesterday evening?
Yesterday evening, I cooked dinner and watched a movie.
Good answer.
And did you notice something important?
Yes. When we ask about yesterday, we often use the word did.
The basic question form is did plus subject plus base verb.
Let's break it down.
For example, Did you work yesterday? Did you study English yesterday? Did you watch TV last night?
Notice something important.
We say did, and then we use the base verb, not past.
So we say, did you go to work yesterday? Did you went to work yesterday? Wrong.
Let's practice with a small conversation.
Okay.
Mary, did you wake up early yesterday?
Yes, I did. I woke up at 6.
Did you have breakfast at home?
No, I didn't. I had breakfast at work.
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about negative sentences.
Negative sentences tell us something did not happen.
To make a negative sentence in the past, we use did not or didn't.
The structure is subject plus did not plus base verb.
Examples. I did not work yesterday. I didn't go out last night. I didn't eat breakfast yesterday morning.
Again, we use the base verb not past. A very important common mistake.
Many beginners say, I didn't went to work yesterday.
But the correct sentence is, I didn't go to work yesterday.
Remember, did already shows the past, so the verb stays in base form.
Now let's use yesterday grammar at work.
This is very useful for emails, meetings, and small talk.
Let's imagine we are at the office.
Good morning, John.
Good morning, Mary. How was your day yesterday?
It was busy. I attended 2 meetings and finished a report.
Sounds productive. Did you send the report to the manager?
Yes, I did. I sent it yesterday afternoon.
Now let's look at a short email.
Okay.
Hi, David. I reviewed the document yesterday and shared my comments. Please let me know if you have questions. Kind regards, Mary.
That's very clear and professional.
We also talk about yesterday with family and friends.
Yes, all the time.
For example, what did you do yesterday? Did you sleep well last night? Did you cook at home yesterday?
Mary, what did you do yesterday after work?
I went home, cooked dinner, and relaxed.
Did you watch anything?
Yes, I watched a short movie.
Let's do a quick listening practice.
We will say a sentence and you listen for the past verb.
I cleaned my room yesterday.
The past verb is cleaned.
I didn't go out last night.
The past verb is go, used with didn't. If you feel slow, it's okay.
Fluency comes with practice.
Speak slowly. Think simply.
Yesterday grammar doesn't need long sentences.
Here are some easy patterns you can reuse.
Yesterday, I plus past verb. Last night, I plus past verb. I didn't plus base verb yesterday. Did you plus base verb yesterday.
You can use these patterns every day. Let's review what we learned today.
First, we learned how to talk about yesterday using the simple past tense.
For example, I worked yesterday. I studied English last night.
Then, we learned how to ask questions.
Like, did you work yesterday? Did you watch TV last night?
And remember, after did, we use the base verb.
We also learned negative sentences.
For example, I didn't work yesterday. I didn't go out last night.
Simple, clear, no stress.
Now let's practice a full conversation.
Pretend you are listening and answering in your mind.
Good morning, John.
Good morning, Mary. How was your day yesterday?
It was good. I worked on a report and attended a meeting.
Did you finish the report?
Yes, I did. I finished it yesterday afternoon.
Nice. Did you feel tired?
A little. I didn't sleep very well last night.
That happens. What did you do after work?
I went home, cooked dinner, and relaxed.
Did you notice something?
The sentences are short.
The words are simple. That's how native speakers talk every day.
Now let's tell a short story.
Listen carefully.
Yesterday, I woke up early. I had breakfast at home and went to work. I worked all morning and had lunch with my coworkers. In the afternoon, I finished my tasks and sent an email to my manager. After work, I went home and relaxed. I didn't go out last night because I felt tired. Very natural. Now it's your turn.
Try to answer these questions.
You can pause the video and speak.
Ready?
What did you do yesterday morning? Did you work or study yesterday? What did you eat yesterday? Did you watch TV last night? What didn't you do yesterday?
Speak slowly.
No pressure.
Many learners worry about mistakes.
But mistakes are normal.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
The most important thing is communication.
Here are some simple tips.
Think in short sentences. Use simple verbs. Practice every day.
Talk about yesterday every night.
Even just 3 sentences is enough.
If English feels hard today,
It will feel easier tomorrow.
if yesterday you knew nothing,
Today, you know more.
that's progress.
If this lesson helped you,
Please support us.
subscribe to Daily English Practice.
Like this video
Share it with a friend who is learning English.
and turn on the notification bell.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Remember, simple English is good English.
Speak every day
Practice a little.
and believe in yourself.
See you in the next episode of Daily English Practice.